Hello and welcome to the spoken tutorial on Overview of HTML. In this tutorial, we will learn about HTML, the content available in various tutorials in this series. What is HTML? HTML stands for Hypertext Markup Language. It is used to create web pages with the help of markup tags. Markup tags will structure our content as per our requirement. It is used to publish our content on the internet. HTML supports text, images, multimedia content, etc. It is platform independent and hence works on all operating systems. To work with HTML, we need a text editor or a WYSIWYG editor in which to write our HTML code and understand the HTML tags. A web browser to display the formatted content. Throughout this series, I will be using HTML5, gedit text editor, Firefox web browser, and Ubuntu Linux 16.04 operating system. Now, we will briefly go through some of the individual tutorials in this series. In this tutorial, we will learn the syntax and structure of HTML. Then, we will see how to create an HTML file and see the output on a web browser. In the next tutorial, we will learn about HTML elements, tags, and their attributes. The next tutorial is formatting tags. In this, we will see how to format our content using some of the basic formatting tags in HTML. With the help of Styles and CSS tutorial, we can add more styles and decorate our content. The tutorial named List is next in the series. Formatting the contents in various list type can be achieved with the help of this tutorial. Tables in HTML tutorial helps to display the contents in tabular structure. Embedding images, embedding audio and video. We can embed multimedia content like images, audio, and video in a web page using these two tutorials. Next is the block elements and layout tutorial. With the help of this tutorial, learners can create web pages with proper design layout. Forms and more on forms tutorials teach how to collect data from the user using custom-made forms. With this, we come to the end of this tutorial. Let us summarize. In this tutorial, we have learned about HTML and the tutorials covered in this series. The video at the following link summarizes the spoken tutorial project. Please download and watch it. The Spoken Tutorial project team conducts workshops and gives certificates. For more details, please write to us. Do you have questions in this spoken tutorial? Please visit this site. Choose the minute and second where you have the question. Explain your question briefly. Someone from our team will answer them. The Spoken Tutorial Forum is for specific questions on this tutorial. Please do not post unrelated and general questions on them. This will help reduce the clutter. With less clutter, we can use this discussion as instructional material. Spoken Tutorial project is funded by MHRD, Government of India. This is Praveen from IIT Bombay signing off. Thanks for joining.